Good morning, it's Wednesday. This is Guru's Tech Bites, episode 136. And boy, do we got a good one for you today. I mean, we got stories that'll make you think, make you laugh, and maybe make you check your wallet. We're talking about the big Amazon tax, a new logistics thing called OpenLogi, a real talk about ambition and being a dad, and then we're going to figure out how IKEA names its stuff. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's get to it. Okay, that's something. First up, the Amazon tax. So this thing got 18 upvotes, and it's basically about how Amazon is now charging sellers a fee for, like, returns and stuff. Second, we got OpenLogi, and that's got 918 upvotes. Now, this is a logistics platform that's trying to make shipping and delivery a whole lot easier for small businesses. You know, like, you don't have to be a giant warehouse to get your stuff out the door. It's all about connecting you with local drivers and routes, so you can compete with the big boys. It's pretty slick, honestly. It's like Uber for your packages, but without the surge pricing, I hope. Third, and this one hit me right in the gut, is about being ambitious and being a dad. 594 upvotes, and it's a story about a guy trying to build a startup while raising a kid. And it's not all sunshine and rainbows, you know? It's about the guilt, the late nights, and the feeling that you're failing at both. But it's also about finding that balance and realizing that being present is more important than being perfect. It's a real honest look at the grind. And finally, we got the one that's got everyone scratching their heads. How does IKEA come up with names for its products? 377 upvotes, and it's a deep dive into their naming system. Turns out, it's all about Swedish place names and Scandinavian words for things like lakes and trees. So that weirdly named bookshelf? It's probably named after a town in Sweden. It's a whole secret language, and it's way more organized than you'd think. That's your Daily Bite. Have a great day. Until next time.